Hi, today we're going to change a map sensor on a Mercedes B-Class. This one here, which is located on this model. I'm going to show it to you in a second. There he is, mounted on the intake manifold of the car, right there. So you just unscrew those two bolts here, like so. You disconnect the connector like this. And this sensor just should pop out like that. Very easy. Don't over tighten this because this is a plastic. Very easy to break. There you go. A quick fix. You can do it yourself, and your car will be grateful to you.